Many people use affirmations for their healing. What are these affirmations really? And what's their significance? How do they help you? Can you form your own affirmations? And if yes, how to use them? Let's discuss all of this today. So, affirmations are nothing but positive thoughts or positive sentences. Now, suppose you want to change a habit or a behavioral pattern or simply a life situation. You can use these positive thoughts or affirmations and they create lot of positivity in your subconscious mind and help you change your scenario. Suppose you're looking for a good job but things are not working in your favor. You can start by saying the affirmation that I am attracting great career opportunities in my life. Now, many people use very generalized affirmations. I have lot of abundance. I have great job. I have great relationship. I am feeling great. I am doing better and better every day. And somehow things don't work for them. Why? Because sometimes we are not feeling so positive really inside. I'm saying that I'm feeling great about my job or I have a great job, but I am deeply insecure actually about my job or I have great financial insecurity. And then when I say that I have a great job or I have abundance, my mind kind of feels that I'm lying and straight away rejects that affirmation. So in my clinical practice, I've learned that affirmations need to be very, very realistic. So you can say that I'm currently extremely insecure about my finances, but I want to attract good opportunities in my life or good career or good job in my life. This is a very realistic affirmation. And after some days, maybe when you have more positivity, you can start saying that I am now ready to release my financial insecurities and I am ready to attract a great job. And maybe after a few days, you will say that I am now feeling very secure about my finances and I am attracting great career opportunities. So, step by step, you can make your affirmations more positive. This is a more realistic way of using affirmations. Now, a couple of more things. In affirmations, we don't use the word no or not. For example, if I want to say that I'm not afraid to go on a stage and speak, I don't say that. I say I confidently go on stage and speak very, very confidently. I don't say that I'm not scared of dominating people, but I say that I am very assertive with dominating people. So we don't use no or not. Second important thing, we always use affirmations in present tense. I won't say that I will get a good job, but I would say that I am attracting a good job. So affirmations need to be in present tense or present continuous tense. Now, how do we use these affirmations? Generally, we say that you say an affirmation 21 times, 21 days. What is the significance of that? In our brain, new neural networks form in 21 days. So you are kind of training the brain to believe what you are saying, and then your brain, your subconscious mind, will attract this new scenario. So, what happens really in your subconscious mind when you start saying affirmations? You are kind of conditioning your subconscious mind to believe this positive scenario. You're kind of setting a target for your subconscious mind that where I want to reach. Now, sometimes people say, oh, but when I say that I'm feeling very insecure about my finances, am I not creating a negative impact on my subconscious mind? Not really, because this negativity already exists. You're already scared or insecure about your finances. So, when you actually acknowledge your insecurity, your subconscious mind is ready to acknowledge and release that insecurity or that negativity. And now there is place for more positivity. So, acknowledging negativity is also a very important part of your affirmation. And as you release all this negativity and create more positivity, your brain actually or your subconscious mind actually starts getting ready to face or attract this new scenario. Now, some people say, oh, so you just say affirmation and I will start feeling confident about speaking in public if I have stage fright. No, many times you need to work on background issues. Maybe you have some emotional issue, maybe you need some behavioral change or therapy also. But saying an affirmation will create a very strong groundwork for you. Meaning, you will then start connecting the dots. What are the causes for my fear? How can I work on my fear? Suppose if you need to take professional help, your mind will start getting ready for this professional help. So, affirmations may not directly lead you to results, but they will form a very strong grounding to create this positive change. So I want to appeal to all of you. I have uploaded a lot of affirmations of different chakras on my YouTube channel. Do use these affirmations for 21 days and give me a feedback about how it can create a great positive change in your life. I also hope that this video will help you form your own affirmations and will greatly help you to change your life positively.